So I'm going to start off with this aloe vera gel, which will act as a primer as well as it will moisturize my face. If you want, you can use any kind of moisturizer, but I'm using this aloe vera gel. So I've applied this nicely all over my face and neck, wherever I need. So then I'm not going to apply the foundation. In that case, I'm going to either use Lakme 95cc cream or Fair & Lovely BB cream, but I've decided to apply this Fair & Lovely BB cream, and because I have already used this Lakme 95cc cream in my other videos, so I'm just applying this cream in the dot form all over my face, neck, and it does have a creamy texture. It's very smooth, so I'm just applying it with my fingers all over my face nicely, and it's like blending like very nicely, and I really love the texture of this. I'm just using it for the first time, so I'm just blending it with my fingers. So again, I'm going to take little bit and just applying it my mouth area and my dark circles to build a little coverage. And it's really good for daily use if you're looking for like some BB cream. It just get absorbed into your skin very nicely because it's very creamy. Just going to zoom my camera so you can see it very clearly. It just fresh up my skin and just brighten my skin naturally and just give a natural finish, and it's really good for daily use. After that, I'm going to set my whole face with the Lakme compact. If you don't want to use any compact, you can also apply any powder, loose powder, or any like Pond's powder or Johnson & Johnson baby powder. So apply the powder all over your face, neck, and don't forget to ear as well. Apply it there as well. After that, for my brows, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetic eyebrow. So you can skip this step as well if you want, but for me, I would like to do my eyebrow because it just gives me a neat and tidy look. So I'm just filling my eyebrows wherever I need to fill my gaps. After that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to apply this as an eyeliner on my eyelid. So before applying mascara, I'm just curling my eyelashes. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal mascara, and I'm just going to apply it on my upper lashes and my lower lashes as well. For my lips, I'm going to use this Revlon lip balm. I'm using very light shade because it's a everyday look, so I'm just keeping it very simple, and you can just do this within 5 minutes everything. So I've already done everything. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, which is like under 5 minutes makeup look. So if you enjoyed this video, then you know what you have to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click the bell icon button. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.